Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum to all my students. Today I chose a topic for class 10 and FSC second year, second term. For class 10, the topic which I choose is from chapter 1, and chapter 1 has 5 exercises. In between exercises, I have a lecture prepared for you to solve any type of a question for factorization, completing square of quadratic equation. How can you solve a quadratic equation by solving factorization and by completing square? If you get anything from my video, then please subscribe my channel and watch my other videos on my channel. I'm waiting for your subscriptions, and you may really like my video and enjoy it. Please watch my video till end. Let's start. Solution of quadratic equation by factorization and completing square. What is a factorization? Factorization is the method in which we make a factors. Factors may be done made by taking common from both sides of the equation. It may be done by the mid-break formula. Today I will explain you what is a mid-break formula. Consider we have equation 3x squared minus 7x plus 20 is equals to 0. Equation may be anything, any equation. It is my solution. Okay. Mid-break formula tells us that if the square value and with constant value, or you can also say that multiplication with skipping of the mid term gives the value. What the value? 60. The terms may be different for different equations. Now I have 20 and 3. Multiply 20 into 3, we get 60. We have to make midterm as the values whose products gives 60 and whose addition subtraction gives 7. Again, understand the theme. Theme says that the product of first and third term is must be equal to the product of the mid breaks, that we break the factors, we break the term. We have to break mid term in the numbers that product gives us also 60 equals to the product of side number. Okay, and their addition subtraction gives that number. What is the number? You can check by practicing more and more. You are used to make it. Likewise, me 3x square. I'm breaking 12 of x plus 5 of x plus 20 is equals to 0. Addition subtraction gives 7. How? Minus of 12 plus 5 gives minus of 7 of x, and 12 into 5 gives 20. That means my mid-break mentality is true. Now I can choose common from first two and then common to second two. In first two variables, there is a common 3 of x, and looking behind x minus 4. 4 3 are 12, 12x. Okay, there is a no change in a equation statement when you are taking common anything from the equation. And plus there is a 5 common in two numbers x. There is a minus of 20. Okay, because minus 12 is equals to minus 60, there was a minus 20. If there is a plus, then there may be a change in the equation. X minus 25, x minus 4, sorry, because 25 is when there is a 4. Now take the common equation in one time, x minus 4 in the second step, and 3x plus 5 as 1 is equals to 0. Now you can take x 3x plus 5 is equals to 0, or x minus 4 is equals to 0. X may be minus 5 by 3, x is equals to 4. Now I also explained you the checking in my other videos. I am going to the other method, which is a completing square. It is said differ by the method mid breaking or factorization. What is this type of method? Suppose any equation. Suppose we have equation x square minus 3 of x minus 4 is equals to 0. First step that must be followed by everyone is 3 of x is equals to 4. The main theme of completing square is to make the equation likewise x square plus 2ab or minus 2ab according to your ease plus b square is equals to 0. To make the equation likewise that, we know that in this equation what are the 2x, oh sorry, this is a if you are choosing xy, then it is a different. Now in this formula equation, you know that it's a formula for a plus b whole square. Now it's order to find out the a and b in this equation. What is a b? A is x, but b is missing. B is to be supposed by us, and 2ab, what must be a 2ab to give us 3 of x. It's difficult to understand in 1 second, but we have to be followed by a trick. First of all, we know that when we take square of x, we get x square. Okay, minus, we know that when we are talking about 2ab, a is x, we are putting the whole equation in that equation. Okay, but putting is also in substitution is done by us. The statement says that 3 of x, and we can't write 2 of x, we can't change the equation. That's why we have to be divide 2 of x to y, because 2 cut and 3 of x is likewise the statement. Cancellation helps us, and 3 by 2 is equals to 4, and mark number of work likewise. The next step that is followed by you, 2a b, is that b should be 3 by 2. If b is 3 by 2, then we have b followed by the a plus b square, and we have completing square. That's why I am adding and subtracting the same amount to the whole equation, or you can add a plus 3 by 2 to both sides. Square y square. This fact you can know in the next step, because x and 3 by 2 square, x square is make a whole formula, which is x minus 3 by 2 whole square. Understand? And 4 plus 9 by 4. The main thing, the main work we have done. Now, which will be done by us is very simple and technique. Likewise, x minus 3 by 2 square, we have to take the LCM. 4 4 16. 4, you have to note by the what is LCM, and if you get any difficulty in LCM, go to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, then you can also search LCM by Simplicity in Education. You can find it in YouTube. Now add it, x minus 3 by 2 square 25 by 4. Completing square says that now taking square root on both sides, because we have to remove the square because we have to find the value for x. That's why by squaring both sides, by square root, taking square root from both sides, if you get square, then it will be x minus 3 by 2 of whole 4. Then x minus 3 by 2, 5 by 2 plus minus. It may be plus, it may be minus. If it will be a, there are two possibilities, plus 5 by 2 or x minus 3 by 2 is equals to minus 5 by 2. We can follow the both the possibilities. 5 by 2 plus 3 by 2 and x minus 5 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Now again the LCM, how to take LCM, you know that 4, cancellation gets 4, x minus 2 by 2 or 1. X may be extremely solution, maybe 4 or minus 1. You can also check it by the whole question what will be your answer. But you have to learn the completing square, factorization, many other topics included a quadratic equation. You can also learn by my channel. Thanks for watching to all students.